In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your online store's cart quantity settings to provide a more seamless shopping experience for your customers. We'll take a few simple steps to adjust the code on your site, allowing you to better manage the cart constraints. So let's dive right in. First, open your online store's dashboard and find the code editor. You can do this by navigating to your theme settings. You should see an ellipsis or three-dot menu. Give that a click. This will reveal additional options where you'll find the Edit Code feature. Go ahead and click on that, which will bring you into your store's backend code area. Once you're in the code editor, you're going to need to locate the main cart items.liquid file. You can do this by using the search bar, typically found somewhere on the side panel of the code editor. In the search bar, type main cart items.liquid and hit enter. This will bring you straight to the file where we need to make changes. Now that you're in the right file, we'll need to find a specific section of the code. To do this, perform another search, but this time within the file for the term data cart quantity. Once you've found this part of the code, pay close attention, as this is where we'll be making our modifications. In this section, you'll see a piece of code that checks for the item variant quantity with something like an if statement, perhaps reading, if item variant quantity, rule max null. This piece of code essentially sets some constraints on the maximum quantity of an item that can be added to the cart. Carefully highlight this section of the code and go ahead and delete it. Now, here's the fun part. Replacing the code. You'll need to insert a new piece of code here to set new cart constraints. You can easily find this replacement code online with a quick search. There are many code snippets available from reputable forums and coding communities, so find one that best suits your needs and paste it into your code editor where the previous code was removed. In this newly pasted code, look for the section that sets the max value. You can customize this number to define the maximum units of an item a customer can have in their cart. Once you're satisfied with the number you've inserted, go on and remove any references to rule max in the pasted code. This removal ensures your new settings are fully operational. Finally, make sure to save your changes. You'll usually find the Save button at the top or bottom of your code editor. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted the cart settings for your online store. This simple customization can help manage your inventory and enhance the shopping experience for your customers, giving them just the right amount of flexibility when adding items to their cart. Remember, always thoroughly test your changes to ensure everything functions as intended. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!